Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Space. In this latest video you can learn how to earn money online with live proof, how to earn money from social media with live proof. So first of all, before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channels, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search online earnings from social media marketing's live proof. You will see the different result that is related to this. We can check one by one. How to make money from social media. Save the students. How to make money on social media. You do not need 1000s of followers. How to make money on social medias. How to make money on social medias. So can you make a living out of social media? If you want to make a living on social media, you need to dedicate a certain amount of time each day towards making yourselves a more valuable influencers. If it were easy, everyone would be doing it. Engage with your followers will help them feel a personal connections with you. How do online social media marketing make money? How to make money on social media. Earn commissions through sponsors posts. One way your small business can earn money from social media is by promoting the product or serving of others' business. Get paid for reviewing affiliate products. Sell your own product or services. Get paid to share your knowledge. Do social media marketers make a lot of money? The social media marketing salary. The average US salary for a senior social media manager is $63,000 but can be high as $19,000. Entry-level social media marketing jobs like a coordinators start at $32,000 while social media directors' salaries can reach well as $1 lakh. How much can I make in month with social media marketing? You can make much as you can want. It's all depend on you. How much money does 1K Instagram followers make? Average monthly incomes near $3,000. Macro influencers between 1,000 to 10,000 followers make an average 1420 per month. Mega influencers more than 1 million followers make 15,356 per month. Which social media is best for earning? TikTok. So now all the questions related to our topics we can read one by one and get benefit from it. So now our topic is end. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.